Well, good morning, everybody. I hope everybody's doing well. Today is Tuesday. And I have some great news. My replacement shocks from Legend have come in. Yes, indeed. It is great news. As a matter of fact, let's cut to that piece right now where I'm opening the box on the Legend shocks. Let's cut to that now. Okay guys, these are the replacement shocks that Legend sent me. They came in yesterday, UPS. Here they are. Okay, take care guys. Well, okay guys, as you can see, Legend has lived up to their promise, their part of the bargain, to replace my shocks. And of course, this is good news. I was surprised at how fast they turned around the fix for me. Oh, I don't know, I guess all told, it was probably a 4-day process. Let me get out of here. I'm in rush hour traffic here this morning. It is about 8 o'clock. And I'm on my way over to the beach a little earlier this morning because I got a lot to do. But yeah, I guess by the time I receive the, well, by the time I ship the old shocks to Legend, you have to pay for that part of it. By the way, it costs $35. By the time I paid for by the time I shipped the shocks to Legend and they received them and they evaluated them for appropriateness for return, or replacement I should say, and they sent me the return authorization. All told, I guess it was about 4 days, maybe 5. And yesterday, the shocks showed up at my front door, delivered by UPS. So now, of course, the question becomes, what am I going to do with those shocks? And I must tell you that I am extremely happy with the Scully suspension system that I have on the bike right now. And to be honest, I see no need to replace it. So therefore, I do believe I will be offering the Legend shocks up for sale. I'm just throwing that out there. It's a system that is not for everybody, and I'm definitely not trying to throw a sales pitch in here, but I do believe that I will be putting them up for sale. They'd be an ideal set of shocks for somebody who, you know, wanted to install them himself. The switch for the handlebars and the compressor is a small addition to the system. The main cost is in the shocks themselves, and that's all I'm selling, is the shocks themselves, because I was able to use everything else with my Scully system. Which was nice. Everything was interchangeable. So there you have it, guys. Short and sweet. Just a short and sweet subject. I wish you all well, and I hope you have a great week this week. Hopefully I'll see you again this Friday on my Shovelhead, on my Friday Shovelhead video. Take care, guys. Let me get back to this traffic here. Talk to you later.